What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Rails of Mass. At the time of recording, it's Sunday, May 17th, 2026, at 6:19 in the PM. Today about a very warm day with temperatures in the mid-80s. And another sign of summer is also here. The CapeFLYER set has returned from Rochester, and we're back to check it out. It's hard to believe after this long wait that we're just 5 days away from the beginning of the flyer season. Beginning here on the left side of the consist, we have MBTA 202, the bike car, followed by 224, the CapeFLYER cafe car. Just like last year, we have two bi-levels. These are no longer in the 900 series, and I hope that we have actual windows we can see out of this season. On the other side of that, we have the CapeFLYER first class car. Well, it's still early and there's no power on the train now. We'll definitely be returning later on the week to see what gets added to the consist. A lot of people have been hoping for 1071 and 1130. Let me know what you'd like to see on the consist down in the comments below. And now that we've had a look at the flyer consist, it's time to look at some of the other sets laying over here for the weekend in Readville. I've come to realize some of you guys like watching these videos just to find out what locomotives are on which set. I never intended to make these kind of videos when I started this channel, but it's become a little staple here, and I think we're going to continue it for a while. Now that we've had a look at the locomotive numbers on this side, we gotta fly to the other side and check out the cab cars. For those of you that didn't know, when these trains are in revenue service, they can be tracked, but you need the cab car number, so some people like to keep track of which cab car is with which locomotive. Here at the end of one set, we find GP40MC number 1130. 1130 had just returned to Readville about an hour prior after making a run to the north side. And off to the side here we see the familiar face of PNLX 2107. And tucked away in the back here, we have an HSP sitting here solo. Now, while this would have usually been the end of the video, 11:30 is now on the move, so we're definitely going to follow it around for a moment.
Roger that, 2020 in the lead, thank you. Quarter out.
Time is now around 6:30 p.m. and it looks like that's it for this crew for the day.
67, reminder, less than 30 feet, and the car station platform out of service.
I bet this crew had a long day after being chased by Matthew in the Grand Junction. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up today's evening adventure here in Readville. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Five seven six seven arriving into contract 1 west.